Hey guys and gals, it's Jim here with another update on the Academy 400 scale USS Missouri. And since the last video a few days back, I got all the superstructure parts masked off and with masked off the deck blue and shot them with the gray, the sky gray Tamiya acrylic. They're not assembled permanent. They're just stacked up to kind of give you an idea of the amount of detail on this kit. Basically, like I said, it's just a little bit smaller version of the Tamiya kit. It's only 3 inches shorter than the 350 Tamiya kit. So, but it's got all the same parts. I took a parts count last night on the instruction sheet just to give you an idea. It's got over 620 pieces and stuff, so many of which are very tiny. I haven't started masking on my main deck yet or anything like that. I'll probably do that later in the week. That's probably going to be a couple days work involved with that to get it ready to paint all the gray parts and stuff. The little greebles, all that stuff is permanently molded on the deck. So, but I got all the superstructure parts. I got some more parts down here, some tiny parts. You can see the size of them, you know, what you got to go through. I pretty much paint them with the field blue, the deck surface, and then I mask off with tape, and then I shoot the gray and stuff. So last night I sprayed all my little anti-aircraft guns flat black. And then I got to go in front. There's little shields, armor plate shields on the front of them. Those have to be hand painted with a very tiny brush with the gray. So I got that going on. Got the turrets finished up yesterday afternoon. Each one of these turrets is a little mini kit in itself. Two of them have 24 pieces. One of them that doesn't have the anti-aircraft guns on the top of it, so that's a little bit less parts count. I think around 19 parts or something. But these consist of about 24 pieces and all that. Everything, all them little details on the sides, the life rafts, whatever them little blocks on the sides on both sides are. Those little arms, the anti-aircraft gun assembly. That's three or four pieces in itself, and then it sits inside that tub that's mounted on top of the turret. Those little pieces off to the side, them tabs sticking out, those are separate pieces. The turret, the barrels are all one piece, so that took a little time. Painting the blast bags flat black, then I went in with some steel, and the little area right in front of the blast bags gets steel, and the rest of it is just this sky gray like the rest of the ship and all that. But so I got my 3 turrets finished up, and there you can see that blue color to that field blue and everything. So that pretty much comes real close to what it should be and stuff, the actual color. So I'm pretty happy with the choice of colors and all that for all my deck surfaces and all that. And it's kind of changeable. Certain light it looks more gray and stuff, but in the right lighting it does show up that blue like that. So that's pretty cool. I like the color choice. So, but anyway, that's where I'm at. I'll be adding all before I start gluing all the different levels together permanently. I'll be adding all the little there's a bunch of little fire hoses, what they call them. I got some painted gray there. There's about another 40 or 50 sitting in the bag I got marked with the part numbers and stuff. I kind of been doing sub-assemblies and separating parts and putting them in separate Ziploc bags and everything, so I know what's what. But there's a bunch of all them little cylinders you see sticking off the sides of the different superstructure parts. Get them fire hose assemblies. They're not assemblies, they're one-piece deal. Fortunately, you don't have to assemble them little tiny things, but I got a couple of them already assembled in 2 of these little gun parts and stuff, so you can see what I'm talking about and all that. So like it says, there's like I counted 620 parts. I might have been off a couple, but either way, it's a lot of pieces. So anybody that's interested, but that kind of gives you an idea of the size of the superstructure, all the detail that's in there and everything. And then, of course, once I start assembling the different levels of the superstructure, I'll go one level at a time. I'll start adding my photo etch railing and everything like that. So she'll look pretty cool and everything. So it's a real nice kit, and like I says, for about a third of the cost of the 350 at Tamiya, um, Missouri. You know, this is pretty close to the same size, and it's got all the same details. So, you know, the only difference is they don't make a wood deck for this. Since it is like a off scale 400 scale, you know, I did check around, looked up on Google and stuff, did several searches. You can get generic 400 scale railing and stuff like that, but you can't find a wood deck or anything like that. So, and they don't have a 400 scale photo etch part like for your cranes and your catapults for your seaplanes and stuff. So you got to go with the kit parts, but they're not too bad. They got a lot more detail than some of the smaller kits and that old Revell kit that's been around for like 100 years. So, but anyway, that's where we're at. That's what I got going on. I'll be getting a little bit more. I want the aircraft carrier. I want to get my base made so I can mount it to the base, and then start all the work on my deck. All the deck markings and stuff like that, and it'll be easier to move around. I got to do a lot of detail painting as far as all those little life raft barrels around the side edges of the catwalks and stuff. So once I get the base made, I'll be able to handle it and maneuver it a lot more easily and stuff. So that's been sitting off to the side for now and all, and I've been concentrating more on this. It's kind of like once you get rolling and kind of get, you know, get into the masking and all that, you hate to stop because you get a little bit of a rhythm going and stuff, and it goes a little bit smoother once you break off and come back to it. It's like you kind of got to get your momentum going again. So, but that's what I got going on. So till the next time, thanks to all my subscribers. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Thanks to all the great comments you guys been leaving me. Thanks for hitting the like button and all that. Hopefully everybody's staying safe and healthy out there. And we'll talk to you soon with another update on the USS Missouri. And eventually we'll get back to the USS Enterprise 500 scale, or no, 600 scale aircraft carrier kit too. So till the next time, take care. Bye.